Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy shrimp with rice and a mango slaw. Now the cool thing about this recipe is that you're working with frozen breaded shrimp. You don't even have to defrost it. I do a lot of different types of shrimp, but this one is my favorite because it was so quick to put together for lunch. So you do want to have some sort of frozen breaded shrimp, maybe that comes with a spicy sauce packet. Otherwise you could just use your own spicy sauce. So let's get started. Keep an eye on the ingredients list, make sure you have everything in front of you. And we're gonna start by making our rice. I use a rice cooker even though I have an Instapot and a slow cooker and a stove, but the rice cooker just is so easy, you can set it and forget it. I like to add a splash of seasoned rice vinegar to my rice just for a little added flavor. Throwing together your slaw is actually super easy. I start by making the vinaigrette with some vinegar, oil, a little bit of sugar, and lime juice. You also want to preheat your air fryer around this time because it's going to come together quickly. So 375 for 13 minutes total. Normally I would get a fresh mango, but it was just so easy to grab some already cubed mangoes from the store, and I just cut them up smaller for the slaw. I'll have an actual recipe for that vinaigrette. At the time I was just throwing a bunch of different things in and tasting as I go to get that really nice tangy flavor. And then I started chopping up cilantro to add to the slaw as well. Cilantro is actually really hard to grow for me hydroponically, so I always try to get some at the store. Next, I got some undressed coleslaw mix. There's all kinds of different ones you can use. I like this one because it had the red cabbage. Then I added the shrimp to the air fryer to fry for about 7 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Just keep an eye on it. You can always shake it halfway just to make sure it's got that good color. And then I tossed the slaw with the vinaigrette. I also added some green onion I decided last minute to add. There's just something about that bright color that makes me so happy, and I love the taste of green onion. You also may notice that there is a Ziploc bag in a cup of hot water. That is the sauce packet that came with the shrimp. Now that the shrimp is done, I removed it from the air fryer and started tossing it in that spicy sauce. Look at that color of that sauce. You know that's a spicy sauce. And the rice is done. Timed that perfectly. So then you just want to assemble your plate. Add that rice, the slaw on top of it, and the spicy shrimp, and you're good to go. Don't forget to pour that residual sauce over top. Now that is a quick and delicious lunch. That sauce did splatter a little bit, so I made sure to clean my plate before taking a picture for my Instagram. Also top with a little bit extra green onion for more color. Yes, look at that! Amazing. I hope you love this as much as I do. This is a new one for me. I'm really excited to make this quite a bit for lunch, just because it's so fast. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe and say hi to me in the comments, and I will catch you in the next video.